All right, so for our next example, we have the points -8, 0, and 4, 6. So I'm going to go ahead and plot these points. And connect them with a straight line. All right, once plotted, you're going to count the rise over the run. So remember, it's the y over the x. So I have to go up 6, so that's positive 6, and I go over. I go over 12. So the y over the x would be 6 over 12, which simplifies to 1/2. All right, now because I'm not going to be graphing these every single time, if I want to use the equation, my equation again is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And let's go ahead and label these points. So the first one is x1, y1. And the second one is x2, y2. So I'm going to say y2 minus y1, so 6 minus 0, over x2, 4 minus, and x1 is -8. So 6 minus 0 is going to give us 6. 4 minus -8 changes into a plus. So we have 4 plus 8. And 4 plus 8 is going to give us 12. So we get 6/12, which simplifies to 1/2. All right, so for our next example, we have the points 10, -4, and 8, 4. So I'm going to go ahead and plot these points. And connect them with a straight line. All right, and then I'm going to count the rise and the run. So this line is going down from left to right. So I'm going down 1, going down 8, so -8, and I'm going over 2, so -8 over 2. So -8 over 2 would simplify to -4, or -4 over 1. All right, to use the equation, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And go ahead and plot your points, or not plot, but label your points. x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is 4, so 4 minus y1 is -4 over x2, 8, minus x1, which is 10. So my 4 minus -4 changes to a plus. So I have 4 plus 4, which gives me 8. All right, 8 minus 10 gives us -2. And 8 over -2 gives us -4. So I get this. All right, and for our last example, I have -3, -8, and 1, 1. So plot your points. Connect them. Right, and then you're going to count the rise and the run. right? So I go up 9 and over 4, so I have positive 9/4 for the equation. Let's label our points. So y2 is 1 minus y1, so minus -8, over x2, 1 minus -3. 1 minus a -8 is going to change to plus. So 1 plus 8 is going to give us 9. 1 minus -3 also changes to plus, so we get positive 9/4 for our slope.